Hi friends, this is Dr. Asrar again. Welcome to my channel Simple SPSS. Today we are going to deal with correlation analysis. First we'll see what is correlation and how to do it in SPSS. Okay, so these are the two tests. Okay, when we want to test the relationship, we are doing these three analysis, and when we want to do the difference, we have to do these three. Let us first go to correlation. Okay, correlation analysis. Now what is meant by correlation? It is a degree of relationship between two continuous variable. Guys, in my previous video I have explained what is meant by continuous data and categorical and continuous data. You can just go through the link below. The correlation is nothing but the correlation between two continuous variables. Continuous data is nothing but which can be measured. For example, height and weight. Is there any relationship between height and weight? Okay, so correlation, Pearson correlation, small r, value varies from +1 to -1. Okay, when the value is Pearson correlation value is 1, it is called perfect relationship, and -1 it is called perfect negative relationship. And when the value of correlation r is 0, that indicates there is no relationship between two variables. Now let us take the example of temperature and cooling, a relationship between, or say correlation between temperature and cool drink consumption. Okay, let us take this SPSS data. This is the data. As you can see, this is the SPSS data. I have shared this data in SPSS, in the channel link below. You can download this data and practice. Okay, this is cool drink consumption, and how it is measured. It is directly given number of cool drink consumption per day, and this is the temperatures. Okay, now how to do correlation using SPSS? So this is the data. Two datas are there: cool drink consumption and temperature. Now click on analyze. As soon as you see that there is an option called correlate, and go to bivariate. These two data transfer to the right section. Okay, and now Pearson correlation coefficient, since the two data are in continuous form. Okay, two-tailed, and options, that's not required. Directly click on OK. Now this is the output of correlation. Now how will you interpret this? You can see this temperature in Celsius, Pearson correlation value is 0.22. This star indicates the significance. Whenever you are interpreting the correlation, first thing you need to see is the significance level. The significant level should be less than 0.05. So temperature Celsius relationship towards cool drink consumption is 22%, which is significant, and number of samples are 143. How you can write the interpretation? You can write there is a positive correlation of 22% with significance level less than 0.05. okay, from the given data. That's the output. I hope you like the video. Thank you.